The final harvest is in. The summer growing season is officially a memory, and my hands are permanently stained green. Preparation starts now, because if you wait until spring, the weeds have already held a committee meeting and decided your plot belongs to them. First up, let's talk about my no-dig beds. This is for when I'm feeling sophisticated. I basically just tuck the soil in for the winter with about an inch of my own homemade compost. It's a mix of last year's lunch and a lot of hope. To keep the soil happy, I give it a duvet. Sometimes that's a cover crop like mustard or fenugreek, and other times it's Allotment Sleep, which is just cardboard and a heavy-duty weed membrane. It keeps the worms warm, keeps the weeds depressed, and saves my lower back from a midlife crisis. I'm a big fan of mustard in the tomato beds. I've been told it helps prevent blight, and after a massive harvest last year with 0 issues, I'm not taking any chances. Mustard is back by popular demand. But then, we have a problem. See those massive trees at the edge of the plot? They might look lovely, but their roots think my allotment is an all-you-can-eat buffet. If I try no dig here, those roots just laugh and suck the life out of the soil before my carrots even wake up. So, for these beds, I have to get a bit more aggressive. I go for Hugelkultur. Now, Hugelkultur, pronounced Hugelkultur, is a German method that basically involves burying organic trash in a hole. Since I can't beat the tree roots, I build a better environment for my plants. I dig a trench about a foot deep and fill it with anything that used to be alive. Old plant waste, horse bedding, tree trimmings, even kitchen scraps. I've even been known to hunt down extra biomass, like fallen leaves or manure from the local stables. I fill the trench, pile the soil back on top, and let nature do the heavy lifting. It looks like I'm hiding a crime scene, but it's actually genius. That buried wood acts like a giant underground sponge. In a classic British heatwave, you know, those 3 days in July, these beds stay damp while everyone else is lugging watering cans across the site. It improves fertility, boosts the soil microbes, and provides amazing drainage. In the first year, I'll grow shallow-rooted veg like salads. By year 2, I can grow anything I want. Eventually, the tree roots find the buffet, and I have to repeat the process. But that's usually about 3 years down the line. So, if you see me dragging bags of horse manure and soggy cardboard across the car park in the drizzling rain, mind your business. I'm just building a masterpiece. How are you prepping your beds this year? Are you a no-dig purist or a Hugelkultur hooligan? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and may your compost always stay hot. See you on the next one.